Here to the source. Not to the source. You guys open the lid, put it down and see if it works. Not running. The phenomenon is like that. I'll try to remove the cartridge. It's done, and then it's put back together. Open the lid, put the ink in, put it down, and the muscle has to run. The muscle must run. But this is not running. While the incoming power is still. Light source bulb. Bulb light source, but the muscle does not rotate. I'll remove the cartridge. And open the hip cap rail. Check the inside for anything. Paper jams or trash jams. Take it off, you just need to pry it. The front face pricks 2 plugs underneath. Is it launched? You're done removing the 2 screws. Turn to and check if it is stuck. Litter or insects in it. Little. Usually if you get stuck on paper. As thin as that piece of paper is, it won't spin. Printer line, is it so? When you're stuck or stuck. So now I'm going to plug it back in and try again to see if it works. Run no. Still not running. Hi everyone, remove the 2 screws on your back. Let me take off the hip cap. I do it step by step. What step do I take to check that step? If it's unclean, I don't need to take it off. If it doesn't, I have to remove it to the inside. Let's put the screwdriver in here. Pry this out here to pry the side flap A. Power unit. Party a card for master and our bow source. If you take it off, you should pay close attention. The little lids, it has a power button with a set of switches. Afraid it will fall. At first I saw it was so dusty. They will clean it up. Take it off and you should clean it. There are cases where I just need to clean up. I installed it and it also runs. Sometimes it's so dirty, it causes a bump. These machines are especially in the rainy season. In the winter, it's a mistake. Winter it can deform components. Or it's drizzling rain. It's out in the north, so it will be easy to blame. I just removed it. The cable of the card forestier. Now I'm going to try and see if it runs. Run, everyone, run. But running very little. It's almost halfway through. Now I will test again. Running around like this is still a mistake. Not yet. But I'll try. I'll try. See if it has click on A. The lid clicks up and down 5 times and it will. Print yourself a white paper. But I don't see it this way. Because it rotates. It hasn't been a long time. It's been spinning. Something you're very good at. Turn the car. It's all gone. Five times up and down 5 times. If the machine works well, it will print out the paper. Not working, not working. Fan dance, fan dance, fan dance, go. I will now. Try again. Now I'm going to check the switch. The hour is closed. On a lid it's closed. See if it works. That's everybody. It's turning. It has to turn. So many rounds like this. So is this switch what it is? Not very well contacted. There's a switch up here, remember. It's a switch that when it's closed, it's new. Turn on the open mode, and when the lid is opened, it will be disconnected. So now everyone unscrew the blister next to the silk format. Let me break it. Back to that one. Maybe it's because of me. Was it too strong or was it because of the cold weather? It's lost its curvature and it's become so elastic. So now I've got to break it up a little bit. Let's put the lid on it. Then it can get electricity. Take off the card for master Ra. Take off the whole thing. Its pedestal. Its base, don't take it off. Take off the base too. Keep it safe. Because when I unscrew it on the board, maybe it will Unfortunately, it spoils the board and limits the touch of the board. If I take this off, I can get the whole thing. Here's the ceremony. Everybody take a sharp pliers. Use a sharp needle to break it upside down. Bend it up. When you close the lid, it touches it. It'll press that down for electrical contact. When it comes down, it has to push that down. Everyone saw it running right away. When I break it up and I push it down, it has to run like this for a while. It's new. That means it has to go through a cycle. But it's not going to go off. It's very simple. If you make this mistake, you can follow like his video to check first. If you can do that, it is not necessary. You have to bring the workers. Maybe it will break the card. But the basic steps are like switches, then everyone can self-check. Car front. And those are easy. Remember, there are 3 snails on this board. 2 black snails and 1 white snail. People remember to inhale its ledges. It was a mistake when I installed it. The hip cap doesn't fit. That box runs normally. So the reason itself is because of what? That's the flip switch. It's bent. So you and I broke. Curled up a little bit. It's this lid that it presses on, and it's going to be able to press to open. Fuck mom. I'm going to proceed now. Just put it back together, everyone. There's 2 ridges on top of a manhole lid. There are 2 ledges here. Everybody put it right there before it's done. Press the back. Place 2 GS in front and press A. In the back, if people put a mouse on it, it can be broken. Now it's pre-installed. If you put it in front, everyone puts it in front. Press on the top. Then I'll press the bottom. I'll plug it in and try to reopen the machine. People saw it running right away. It will stop after one round of the machine. Now I will be in A. Try this. Open the lid 5 times. I can't do another 2BA. For years is 5 if 4 is not enough. Then it's in the box. So when it's printed like this, it shows lines like this, people. It doesn't write. Then I have instructed you to fix it.